It's story time, guys. It's story time. Welcome back to the channel for those that know me. For those that don't, if you're new here, consider subscribing. My name is Sam, also known as Big Mac Sam. And I just have a little story time, guys. I have two little short stories of people that did not want to take driving lessons with me. There's two different stories, specific stories that I want to tell you. And sometimes this will happen with driving instructors. I'm sure that for those that are driving instructors watching my video, I'm sure it has happened to you. But there was one time, no, not one time, but a couple times, I had students that did not want to scratch that. That did not want to take driving lessons with me, or just in general, because it was raining a lot, or because it was snowing. They were afraid. You know, I was like,
why are you running? Why are you running?
What's up with that? So, yeah, some students are afraid to drive in inclement weather, you know, bad weather. It does happen. I had another situation that I arrived at the student's home. I went to pick her up, and as soon as she saw me, the first thing that came out her mouth was, "Who the F are you?" Because I was not her original driving instructor. It was my co-worker. She was so used to my co-worker, she did not want me. It does happen. And I don't blame her, but you know, did she have to come out with that filthy mouth? You know, she just didn't know who I was, you know, so that's why it is a good idea to stick with one driving instructor, because you're used to that person. Because every driving instructor teaches different. You know, they give lessons different from other driving instructors. When you change driving instructors, some people don't like it because, you know, they feel comfortable with that one that they were taking lessons with. I did have some driving instructors that they don't mind having different driving instructors at all, because that way they learn a little something from every one of them, you know. But anyway, short story, guys. You know, things that driving instructors go through. Guys, take care. I'll upload another video soon. Thank you for watching. Make sure you thumb up the video if you thought it was funny or you liked it. Consider subscribing, and see you on the next one, guys. Be safe out there.